Welcome back to the channel. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu and the rise to millions, the evolution from a joke, the Dogecoin killer, to having millions of holders, creating millionaires, and the evolution of the project. This is going to be a fun video. As always, thanks for your support. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, tell the algorithm that we are here. Okay, so the rise from meme to millions. This is a really interesting subject. So SHIB was launched back in 2020, if you didn't know this, and it was originally launched as the Dogecoin killer. I started covering Shiba Inu in May of 2021, and it propelled my channel. Just a side note, I had 5,000 subscribers in April of 2021, and in May, it was crazy. It just exploded, and I added like 50,000 subscribers when I started covering Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, and here we are. And so, by the way, thank you for your support. So, SHIB was launched as a Dogecoin killer. I never really liked that moniker, but from a marketing perspective, it was a stroke of brilliance because Dogecoin at the time was the hottest thing that everybody was talking about, and so Shiba Inu grabbed onto that kind of on that marketing angle and just exploded. And I had forgotten the seed phrase Dogecoin killer was actually part of the logo at the time. So I had forgotten that. Okay. So another component of millions, the rise from meme to millions, is that there is, 1.3-ish million holders per Etherscan, but there's a lot more than that because there's people that have bought and only hold on exchanges. So there are millions of holders of Shiba Inu globally, rise to millions, right? So, by the way, Shiba Inu is consistently a trending topic on, Twitter. Obviously, it's a massively searched topic on YouTube. It's just crazy. Okay, so when it started off, it had an insane amount of zeros, and now it has gone and moved all the way to 4 zeros. Let me show you real quickly where we're at currently. Currently, we're at 4 zeros. You can see right here, 4 zeros 10. Okay. So yeah, it's grown that much. Has created multimillionaires, just like it has. I think there's been a lot of people who missed out on it. I wish I would have gotten in on it it actually launched, I believe, in August of 2020. I wish I would have gotten in early there because $100 back then would have made you a millionaire. It's craziness. So I don't know if you knew this. I knew closely what the number was, but in the entirety of 2021, Shiba Inu went up by 1,636%. And a bulk of that came in 1 month. It came in October. In October of 2021, it went up 1,005%. Yeah, you heard me right. Now, 2022, it leveled off. It dropped back. It leveled off because of the inflation and all the other kind of global events, the Russia-Ukraine crisis, the war, all that kind of stuff. So, it pushed all of crypto back, and Shiba Inu was not immune to that. Its all-time high has been 4 zeros 8854. And again, right now we are at 4 zeros 106. So we are, quite a ways away from that all-time high. But again, remember what I just said, 2022, it brought everything back down, right? Not just SHIB. It has evolved. Obviously, it's created, we've created the card game. The metaverse is in development. Shibarium, the layer 2 solution, is in beta right now, coming out with a mainnet launch in short. Has had a massive successful NFT drop. Shiboshis. Bone, one of the other, obviously the other coins associated and part of the Shiba Inu ecosystem is going to be the gas token for Shibarium, has entered in the top 100 list. It's now listed on crypto.com. You will see more exchanges picking up Bone for sure. Shiba Inu has north of 100 and probably now 130 global exchanges across the globe. It's easy to buy. You can buy SHIB anywhere. Has been adopted as a mode of payment by quite a few businesses. It's been integrated into a lot of payment systems. And this is a biggie. The reason I highlighted this, well-known mainstream name. This is one that we've kind of forget and lose sight of. Shiba Inu is a global brand. And that is really what it is. There's people outside of crypto that know what Shiba Inu is. I mean, I have people come up to me all the time, go, "Hey, how's that Shiba Inu, crypto doing? And these are people who are not in crypto. So, it is a global brand. And so that's really ultimately, the rise from meme to millions. I mean, there's still people that call SHIB a meme token. I don't agree with that. It's a community token. But it is more than that. It is a movement, right? It is, backed by the SHIB army. I consider myself to definitely be a part of that. Thank you, by the way, for your support. Yeah, it is created millionaires. It has millions of holders, massively vibrant ecosystem, going to get even bigger with Shibarium when we got all these, different, D apps and projects that will launch and deploy on Shibarium. All good stuff. So thanks for your time. I'll see you. Have a good one. Take care.